Hey, it's Brad here, and in today's lesson I'm going to show you how Noel Gallagher made millions just using one simple shape on the guitar. No modes, no advanced theory, no tapping or shredding. Just the minor pentatonic shape 1, and that's it. Now here's the thing, if you spend any time on YouTube looking at guitar tutorials, you've probably been told you need to know your modes to solo properly. You have to learn complex scales and advanced theory. And if you can't shred at 200 BPM, well, you're never going to sound like a pro. Well, honestly, all of that is absolute nonsense. Noel Gallagher, one of the most successful British songwriters ever, built his solos on one simple tool. That's the minor pentatonic shape 1. That's all you need to sound great, and I'm going to prove it right now. So let's just start with Live Forever. The song's in the key of G major, but Noel's solo, pure E minor pentatonic shape 1 magic. I'll play it now a little slower so you can really hear it. It's built up of E minor pentatonic shape 1. It's just the minor pentatonic, a few bends, hammer-ons, maybe a slide. Example 2, let's look at Supersonic. This one's in F sharp minor, and what Noel's doing, same shape, shape 1 is just up on the 14th fret, a higher octave. So F sharp minor, it's in the key of F sharp minor, we've got a higher octave up here. Bends, slides, shape 1, there's no shredding, no tapping, just good music. This is what I want you to take away from today's lesson. You don't need to make it complicated. Master shape 1, learn how to phrase with it, add a bend here, a slide there, and you can create solos that just work. If it's good enough for Noel, it's definitely good enough for the rest of us. If you want to build your chord knowledge without getting lost or in unnecessary theory, grab my free essential guide to chords ebook, links in the description. And if you are ready to truly master the pentatonic scale and start soloing with confidence, check out my 30-day to pentatonic perfection course. Again, link will be in the description. So next time you pick up your guitar, ignore the noise, stick to what works, hit that like, leave a comment, and I'll see you again in the next one.